Hello, my fellow jewelry enthusiasts. I am back and very, very excited. I want to maintain my excitement because, could be a letdown, but I'm very, very happy to finally have gotten a ThredUP jewelry box. This is not the mix. This is the 15 pieces for, I think it comes out to like 58 with shipping and tax. So cost of goods would be about $3.50, $4 a piece. So these, I'm hoping they're supposed to be, the nicer pieces. I'm so excited. Okay, trying to contain myself and lower my expectations just in case. But I have seen some great videos with really nice pieces. So I'm hoping that I will be lucky this time and get some good pieces too. So we're going to open this bad boy up now. Let's see. Never had one, so I wasn't sure how to open it. Okay. And it has a green dot. I don't know what that means. People who order them a lot, maybe that's the location or the type of box. Not sure. So let's see. I ordered this. It says November 23rd. Hello, we're here. We love helping. Cool. Okay, so yeah, it was 48 plus tax and shipping. So quite excited. Mixed jewelry, 15 pieces. So let's see what we've got. Our lovely, oh, you know what? I didn't check where it was coming from. This is coming from Phoenix, Arizona. Oh, gosh. Clarissa, Thriving Thrifters, do you hate Arizona? I can't remember. I feel like you do. But we're going to hope that this time it's not terrible, if theirs have been terrible. So fingers crossed. And this could be like a true mystery box. I'm going to just leave the stuff in there, pull it out one at a time. Oh, I'm liking already this nice Bryten box. How pretty is that? Let's see. Okay. Looks like we've got, ooh, very nice silver tone bracelet. Where is the, there's our B for Bryten. Let's see. I just saw it. Here we go. It's right there. And this is just gorgeous. Beautiful silver tone. It's got the filigree and it's so pretty. It's in very nice condition. I'm loving this. This right before Christmas, which is great. So I can get some of these things listed. So excited. So put that in with the box, which is so cool. Cristo by Bryten. Nice. Okay, let me take a look at that. So I'm already happy for what I spent. I feel like it was worth it. All right, next piece. Piece number 1. This is piece number 2. Oh man, I wish I had bought 2 boxes. I only bought 1 because I was like, oh, I've never bought it. I was kind of scared. And then when I went back in like 5 minutes later, they were gone. So, what are you going to do? So this is an Ann Taylor. Oh my, retail price was $78. Wow. It's incredible how much, costume jewelry can go for. Fashion designer. This is gorgeous. Oh yeah. I'm loving this piece. So I'll have to check on that. Okay. I'm already ecstatic. So whatever I get from here, it's not going to matter. It can only go up. Let's see. Nice box. Is this a necklace or a bracelet? Let's see. Oh, it opens this side. Ooh, genuine crystal luxuries. It's in a very nice box. Although this, I feel like it's a cheaper one, box made in China, but I don't know. Crystal Luxuries, if that's a brand maybe, but it's very pretty and it's new. This could be a really nice stocking stuffer for someone. So there's a good look at that one. Okay. Not a brand I'm familiar with, but still nice to get new in boxes. So let's see if there's any other boxes I'm feeling around. I feel a box. Okay. So here we have a Nordstrom tag. Crown with pearl. Let's see what this is. Juicy Couture, born in the glamorous USA. Oh, I love their box. How pretty is that? And we have here, what is this? Is it a key fob? So like hook on, a pendant? I don't know anything about Juicy Couture. I've never bought it or looked into it. I don't know what the retail price was because it's covered with the Nordstrom tag, but I'm sure I can look this up. But it looks like a building, like New York, or I'm not sure. It's so cute. All right, so we've got this building that has these clear stones in there. And then the hook, I don't know if it's a purse charm or it's just like a pendant you wear. Really not sure. If anybody has any info and would like to share it, I would love to hear if you know anything about that. So very nice, very cool. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. I think it's supposed to be 15, I'm pretty sure. Okay, let's see. I'm always just so expecting like dirty and dirt and stuff to fly out, and so it's like really nice to get nice clean pieces. Wow. So here's a J.Crew. I just, now I'm starting to learn the look of it. That is beautiful. Look at these stones. It's got these cream colored stones and these clear stones and then these green like teardrop. Those are beautiful. I'm not a big into wearing jewelry. I love it. I love to sell and I love to look at it, but this is beautiful. I do like this piece quite a bit. So here we go. Yay. I'm so excited. Getting great pieces. Yeah, I'm kicking myself now for only getting one box. Should have got them while I had the chance, because I've been looking for 3 months and not found one box come up for sale. So this was the first time. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we should have 10 more pieces. Man. Let's see. Oh, Banana Republic. This was $30. It's got the tag and a little clearance tag. I like it. I love this design. It almost looks like a fleur-de-lis or some kind of, I'm not sure what that design, that shape is, but very pretty. And it's clean. Looks, I mean, it has the tag. It doesn't look like it's been worn. I know you can just put this back on, but it's clean. It's not scratched up or tarnished or anything. So this is nice. You take that little clearance sticker off and just leave that. Very pretty. Yeah, so it has met and exceeded my expectations. Like, for sure this was worth $50. Okay, let's see. A nice set of faux pearls. Very pretty. It's by Carol. I'm sorry. Let me see. Carol Lee, it looks like. Not a brand I know, so it might be a high-end thing I don't know about, but these are nice. Very nice pearls. I know Dr. Lori has that whole, you check the thing. I'm sure they're not real pearls, but you never know. There's the knotting in between, and yeah, I'll have to look into this, but this is really, really nice piece. And this video should be a little faster because we're not like sorting and going through all the junk and trash. This is so cool. I'm just like very excited to not have to do all that. Oh, Betsy Johnson. Her stuff is so funky. I love her. I think I've found one piece in a box, and it wasn't like one of her crazy pieces. It was just like a very simple piece. This is cool. I love it. I know she used to have a huge following when like Sex and the City was on because she designed most of the wardrobe for the stars and stuff, but I don't know if she has as big a following. I think she still does. I mean, I think her stuff is amazing. I love it. So we've got the heart, the BJ on one side, the Betsy Johnson on the other. And I don't see anything missing. Just trying to go through it. I love these charms. How cute. Just funky. All her stuff is so funky. What a cool, fun bracelet. She's got that lifesaver closure there. I don't know if you can see this really well, but look at all these funky charms. These little girl dolls, roses, this heart, this lamp. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. I'm in love with this. Okay, so let's see. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we should have a couple more to go. Okay, not disappointed with anything. Let's see. One thing I do notice, there is a very faint smell. And I don't know if it's just from the plastic or what. In the bags, maybe that's probably what it is. But you know, when you open a Goodwill Blue Box or a Shop Goodwill, you can tell. You can like smell it. There's a certain smell. And then you open and there's all the dirt. Oh, it's the second Betsy Johnson. I was like, this kind of looks like hers. Yep. This is another one. Really cool charm bracelets. I'm excited about these. Let's see, I just can't see where you close it and open it, but figure that out. Okay, so we've got the pearls, then we've got these hanging. Let's see, where is the closure? Maybe it's tangled up and I need to untangle it. I cannot figure it out right now. Here we go. It's starting to loosen up. Okay. I think it just got a little jumbled in there. But I still don't see a closure. So I'm going to have to kind of look at this and figure out what's going on. Is it just... You just slide it on, maybe? I know there's some that are made like where you kind of roll them on, but I don't think this is that. Anyhow, we'll just look at it really quick. We can look at the pendants. We've got the heart with the BJ on there, her initials, this pink flower, this bee. I love this bee. We've got a heart with a clear stone, puffed heart, and a little ladybug in a pearl looking stone. Oh, so cute. That is just adorable. So we'll put that with the other one. All right, this feels super, super light. Let's see what's in here. Oh, that's pretty. Very dainty. This looks nice and special. Oh, here we go. Is this... Ooh, Tory Burch. I'm channeling Tory Burch. I was going to say I wanted to manifest that I was going to receive nice pieces, nothing broken, nothing missing stones. And I was hoping for one, like, name brand piece. And everything is nice. Everything is great. I love this. Look at that Tory Burch. Right in the center, I can see the logo, that symbol now. I couldn't tell at first, but now I see it. I don't know if you can see it with the light, but it's right there in the center. And then here's the tag. And her stuff seems to do well, so I'm very excited about that. It was so light, I was like, oh no, what is this? It's nothing, but that is gorgeous. Okay. What else we got? What else you got for me? Let's see. Very shiny gold. Now this one does look like it has some wear. So you need to clean up. I mean, I would clean all of them anyways, but that one is the first piece that doesn't look like so clean. And how do we do this? Okay, so there's something here. You push. I wonder who the maker is, because this has to be, it's so well made. This has got to be a designer, but I can't find any maker. I might just be missing it. So I'll have to come back with my loop. I'll do a Google image search, but it being like kind of like a tennis bracelet with all these little stones, I doubt I'll even be able to find this exact piece, but it's really pretty. If anybody recognizes this style type, maybe who the manufacturer is, or if you see something and I'm missing it, I don't see anywhere. Usually it's on the inside or where the hinges are or here, but I don't see anything. So let's take one last look at that. How pretty is that? They've got nice shine, nice sparkle. Yeah, very pretty. Okay, let's take this out. There's only a few pieces left. That way I can make sure I grab them. This is so fun not seeing any of it. I'm just kind of opening it up. This is Bryten again. Oh, Kendra Scott. Okay. Never had any Kendra Scott stuff. Oh, those are cute. I love this color. I love a good pair of red earrings. KendraScott.com. No idea what the retail is, but these are gorgeous. They feel like glass. I should have brought out the Presidium to test them, but I don't know if they would be or not. So pretty. That's a nice pair. Very nice. And I ordered some beautiful like stands for my jewelry since I'm going to be starting to sell all of it. I'm going back through all my back stock. I love acrylic. I love clear things, so I ordered some gorgeous stuff on Etsy, that more handmade things, and just I'm excited. That's going to look amazing on there. Now I have a bunch of earrings that I need to get listed, so I ordered an earring thing. Ooh, these are pretty. Too bad they don't have the info or box or anything. Look at that sparkle. Gorgeous. Gorgeous purple stone. So maybe they're no name, no brand name, but they're very pretty. They feel very well made. And they look very nice. So not sure if these have any maker, but I'll have to look into that. So very pretty. Let's see, I think there's one or two more things in here. Okay. Oh, I thought they were rings. I think they're earrings. Okay. Let's see. Oh, cool. These are neat. They're earrings, but they look like... Oh, are they earrings? Yeah, they have to be. They look like rings, but they are earrings. Here's the... Are they closed? I don't think I've ever seen one like this. An earring with this kind of closure. Very cool. Yeah. Earrings that look like rings. Very neat. How did that one open? And I don't know how to open it. Okay, so this part right here just popped open after I pushed it. So let's see. Not sure. There we go. Okay. So I was looking for maybe a maker's mark. Don't see anything, but they look like quality. They look well made. So these are interesting. I have to check those stones too. Very pretty. And get a good look at those. I think there may be one more thing. Let's see. Yes, there's one more bag in here. So, all right. Oh, this might be matching with... I think it is. Yes, it's the matching stone and ring. Earrings and ring. That's kind of big. Oh, that is pretty. Yep. So here we go. We've got a matching stone that matches the earrings in this ring with these clear stones. So that's a nice little set to put together. Very cute. I don't know that this is a name brand or anything. There's no mark that I can see, but I mean, they're pretty. So I'm super happy. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 pieces. So everything is there, and I am extremely happy with it. So yay. If you're in, I'm not putting any prices because these are, you know, higher. These are going to be, I need to recoup some money. Go on eBay, Etsy, Poshmark. But if you're interested in one, once I get all the prices together, I may put a little list. I'll put it in the comment thread, and you can always email me if there's something you'd like, because I'll always sell it to you a little bit cheaper because there's no fees and that kind of thing. So thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited. I'm hoping that I will have more of these in the future to open for you, because this is like the best ever. So very, very excited. I'll be listing these soon, and I will have some more videos with, I had some auctions that I won, and I also have a wholesale order of, it could be mixed vintage designer jewelry. So we'll see what that comes of that. But I'm excited. I've got some good things coming up pretty soon here. So thank you once again. If I can ask if you can all be kind to one another. The world needs it right now so much. And, you know, it doesn't take anything but just a little effort to be nice on each of our parts. And what we put out, you know, we get back. So I thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, I would ask that you would. If you enjoyed the content, if you can give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment if you want to engage with me, and we can chit chat on there. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.